Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know how can you fix controller not working on Fortnite PC. If your controller isn't working, you could follow these steps. First of all, you could actually go to the game settings. So open up your Fortnite, click on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner, and you'll then be taken to this page when you click on gear icon. As you go to the settings, you simply want to go to video and you could go to graphics. From the graphics section, you could go ahead and make sure to check the system quality and all that. But what you want to do is scroll down to advanced graphics sections, and next you simply want to go to the mouse and keyboard section as well from the top of the menu or from the tabs. When you go to this section, what you simply want to go to the controller tab and set the controller to Builder Pro. That will be able to work for you. See whether that will be able to fix the issue or not. The other way to fix it so is that you could also try checking the sensitivity as well right on this section. And if the issue still persists on, you want to consider restarting your PC and see that will be able to solve your issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.